Namaskar. Gujarat Technological University welcomes you. I am Imran Khan, an assistant professor in English in Om Institute of Engineering and Technology, Junagadh. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about letter writings. Please look at the slide. Letter writing is for 7 marks in your examination. First, we will see the essential parts of a letter. It means how a letter is written from beginning to end. It has its essential parts. Essential parts means which we cannot avoid, which we cannot exclude. The first part is sender's address. It means first will come sender's address, then will come date, third is inside address, fourth is subject line, fifth is salutation, then body of a letter, it is very important, then complimentary clause, signature, postscript, and the last is the envelope. Dear students, all these 10 parts are called essential parts, and every part has its particular way and method of writing. So in today's lecture we will learn how to write a good letter and how to justify, how to write all these essential parts in a proper way. So now first let us see sender's address. There are two ways in which you can write sender's address. Sender's address means one who is writing a letter. If you are writing a letter, you will write your address. If the sender's address has company letterhead or company title, so first it will come exactly in the center of the page in the beginning, and then we can write the date of the day when we are writing our letter. Now let us see how it will be written. Suppose this is your page, and if any company's title, for example Om Institute of Engineering and Technology, this is a name of a college, take it as a title of a company. So first it will come, and then in the second line you can write its address in brief. No need of writing full address, but in brief you can write. So if company title will come, it will be written like this, and then you can write the date. As I said, date of a particular day when you are writing a letter. This is just an example. So this is the first way, or this is the first part of a letter where we saw sender's address. You can also write sender's address like this. Suppose this is your page. Now if there is a letterhead, as you know, if the company has its own letterhead, then the logo or the title of that particular company will be given on that particular page itself, as it is shown in the PPT or this slide, and then below it you can write the date like this. So please look at this slide carefully. There were the two ways, as I said, you can write the sender's address. So first sender's address was containing title. If the sender's address has the full address, if you are writing a letter and if you are writing your own address in full words, so first your address will come on the left hand side, and then will come the date. Please keep it in the mind that if company title will come, then company title will come in the center, but if you are writing your own address with your name etc., it will come at the left hand side, and then will come the date. For example, this is your page. So first will come person's name. Say for instance Mr. P.R. Kadiwar, this is the name of a letter writer. Then will come his company's name, for example Om Institute of Engineering and Technology. Then will come address in brief like this. Please mind that you cannot leave the margin which you can see exactly here. You have to write exactly from the line. So don't leave any space or margin. This is your page and you have to write like this. This is the proper way of writing the address. So this is the first part, sender's address. Then we will see ways of writing date. This is very important, and here you will see how to write a date. Generally we do not pay attention to this part. We write the date in a haphazard way or in any manner, but a business letter or a particular letter, when it is written, there is a proper way of writing date. So that you have to keep in mind. There are two ways of writing date. The first way is British style. You can write your date of a letter in a British style, or you can write it in an American style. So these are the two ways, these are the two styles, you can say. Below the British style there will come two more ways. It is called Ordinal. In Ordinal style you can write the date using open punctuation style, and second is closed punctuation style. This is the British style. So if you follow British style, first it is called Ordinal. We will see what is Ordinal. And in Ordinal you can write open punctuation style and closed punctuation style. We will see what is it. Similarly in American, if you follow, then American style will follow cardinal number, and there also you are supposed to write your date either in open punctuation style or in closed punctuation style. So these are the four ways of writing dates. We will see the examples, and then you can follow any one method or any one way when you write your letter in your examination. I have made a chart for you so that you can easily understand these dates. As I said, that date can be written in two ways, British and American. So here you can see British and this is American. Below British you can see the open punctuation Ordinal style or closed punctuation Ordinal style. Here you can see open punctuation Cardinal style or open punctuation Cardinal, closed punctuation Cardinal style. So this way you can just look at this chart and you can easily remember how the dates are written in the letter. What is Ordinal and what is Cardinal? This we have to understand. Ordinal is a British style. So when you write the numbers like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, etc., it means till 31st. So it is called Ordinal style. When you write first like 1 and ST, so this ST is called superscript. Second, ND is called superscript. So any number which will come with superscripts, it is called Ordinal British style. And when you write in Cardinal way, then in Cardinal way it is written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So please look at this two ways of writing date. If you write first, second, third, fourth, it is called Ordinal British style, and if you write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, then it is called Cardinal style. So please you have to keep these two ways in mind, and as I said, you can follow any one which you find the easier. Now let us see in detail how to write British style Ordinal style date. It is called open punctuation. As I said, as we saw in the chart, British style can be followed in two ways. Either you write open punctuation or closed punctuation. So what do we mean by open punctuation? Into bracket I have explained, open punctuation means without punctuation. So punctuation means full stop and comma. For example, if you write 1st January 2015, this is an example. So here you are writing first, then you are not using any comma or full stop, then you are writing the name of the month, then also you are not using any comma or full stop, and then you are writing a year. So here you are writing like this. So first will come the ordinal number, then will come the full name of the month. You cannot write like JAN dot. Please mind, you have to write January full spelling, and then you are writing a year. So this is called open punctuation, without punctuation, British style. Similarly, if you follow closed punctuation, it is called with punctuation. So please remember, open means without punctuation and closed means with punctuation. So it is written like this: 1st January, then you will keep a comma, and then you will keep a full stop. So this is how a British style, ordinal style will be followed. Now let us see American style, cardinal style, how it is written. Here is an example. So first we will see open punctuation, that means without punctuation. So here no comma, no full stop, as I said. It is written like this: January 1, 2015. In the British style, you just saw that the date will come first in an ordinal number and then will come the name of a month. But here in American style, you are writing like this: January 1, 2015. Like when you say first sem, so it is called British style. But if you say semester 1, then it is called American style. So dates are also written in either open punctuation or second is close punctuation. So in close punctuation, you are writing like this: January 1, then you are putting a comma, and then you are writing year 2015, and then you are using a full stop. So please remember, here you are not using any full stop or comma, and here you are using comma and a full stop. So there are two ways of writing date: British style and American style. As I said, British style will follow ordinal number, where will come first, second, third, fourth, etc. will come first, and then will come the full name of a month, and then will come the year. This is called open punctuation, and this is called close punctuation. Similarly, in American, cardinal number is will be followed, then first will come the name of a month, then will come the date. In open, we are not using any comma or full stop. In closed, we have to use. So this is how these dates can be written in the letter. Look at the chart once again, so that this chart will remind you the dates. So you can use this chart to remember the dates easily. Now is very important, ways of writing inside address. Friends, we often do not pay attention to this part of a letter also. We write the address of the receiver the way we like. But business letters, as I said, or any official letters, they are written in a proper methods, in a way, and we have to follow this style or methods or way. So now please look at these ways of writing inside address. Like dates, here also we have British style and American style, but here you will see slight difference. In British style, the address are written in indented form. We will see what is indented form, open punctuation as well as closed punctuation. Even in American, you can write the address and it is called block form. There also you will find open punctuation and closed punctuation. So like dates, we had ordinal and cardinal. Similarly, here for address we have indented form and we have block form. So we will see what is indented and what is block. Here also I have put a chart so that you can easily remember the ways of writing dates: British style and American style. British style will follow indented style and American style will follow block form style. Now what is block form style, or how American style is followed, how the address is written in American style? As we saw, in American style there are two ways: closed, that means with punctuation. It is written like this. For example, first the name of a person. Here is an example: I am Khan. Then you can see the comma. This is called closed. It means with punctuation. So when you are following closed, you have to put a comma after a name. Then will come his address. For example, a name of a house, Shirin Palace, then is a comma. Then any nearby building or its name, for example, opposite Alif Plaza, then a comma. Then a name of an area, Khatriwada, and then city and code. So this is how you can write the address using American style. Closed. Now will come open. So same address is written, but you see now what I am doing, I am dropping punctuation. So I am not using punctuations here. After the name I have not used comma, here I have used comma. Similarly, here I have used double inverted comma and a comma to show the name of a building or a house. Here I am not using any punctuation. So please look at the difference. You can remember any one method, you can follow any one method which you find easy. Okay, so this is called American style. Now let us see the example of British style indented form. It is totally different. First we will see closed style, that means with punctuation. So how it is written? First will come the name, then comma because it is a closed style, then will come the name of a building. But you see here I am leaving some space. So I am not starting my writing from the margin, or you can say marginal line. I am using some space. Similarly, I am using a space for third line also. So this is called indented. So indented means step wise. So you will see as if these are the steps. So it is written like this. This is called British style indented style with closed punctuation. And when you say open punctuation, same style will be followed, but what will I drop? I will drop the commas or full stop or double inverted comma. If you will see your book Active English, then there also you will find the example like this. I have tried to make this example easier and to show it to you on this screen so that you can easily find the difference. Look at the chart once again. So address can be written in two ways, British style or American style. In British style it is written indented form. Indented means stepwise or with space. It is written in two ways, closed punctuation and open punctuation. Closed punctuation means you see that with commas or a full stop, whereas open does not follow the punctuation, that means no commas or full stop. So you can remember this chart. Now is a subject line. What is subject line? Subject line